Hopefully, by now you can see the advantages of infrastructure as a code. However, everything has downsides. One of these limitations is the inability to configure certain functionalities solely through the code. This is especially true for the functionalities that are in preview and are not fully released yet. In such cases, you may encounter challenges when attempting to enable or configure these new functionalities purely through your infrastructure as a code solution. In our case, we will have to make few adjustments in the settings. Let's go to the portal and rush through them. Navigate to the settings in the left corner and move to the settings page right over here. Firstly, let's check UBA. Unfortunately, it's only partially configured. Azure Active Directory is checked, but we don't have any existing data sources enabled. Let's select all of them and apply the changes. After that, move back to the settings page and navigate to Playbook permissions. You will have to find a resource group name where you have deployed Microsoft Sentinel and add it on the list. This will allow Microsoft Sentinel to trigger playbooks from your resource group. Lastly, let's check auditing and health diagnostic. They should be enabled on Microsoft Sentinel, but let's verify before we leave. In the auditing and health monitoring, click on configure diagnostic settings. Alright, this looks good to me. Everything is configured. Let's go back and check the same settings but for log analytics workspace. From the setting page, all the way up here, you can move to workspace settings. And on the left side, find diagnostic settings. As I thought, it's missing here. So let's add it in. Select logs and metrics. Provide it with unique name and send it to Log Analytics workspace with Microsoft Sentinel. Perfect. Now we have fully configured Microsoft Sentinel workspace. It would be nice if all of this could be included in the ARM template. And maybe it will be in the future. For now, there are still few manual steps that we need to take. That's everything for now. But in the next video, we will look at different options for infrastructure as a code with Microsoft Sentinel.